Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Cultivate wisdom. You don't need to accumulate knowledge to become wise. Anyone can become wise. When you become wise, you respect your body, you respect your mind, and you respect your soul. When you become wise, your life is controlled by your heart, not your head. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 92, Nasdaq up 18, S&P's up 10, gold contract up $3.60, trading at $12.29 an ounce. Silver up 12 cents at $17.94 an ounce. Platinum up $2.50 at $1,000 an ounce. Copper down 4 pennies at $2.74 a pound. Light sweet crude up 25 cents, $53.18 a barrel. Now, oil numbers are going to come out probably next half hour. The API numbers will come out in the next half hour. The official government numbers will come out tomorrow at 10:30. What you have with oil, folks, is it can't handle the higher level of the consolidation that it's in. You have two separate levels. It keeps dipping back into the lower level. So that's saying that oil wants to come back into the $50 level. Bonds, you get the 10-year note down 13 ticks, 124.26, 124.06. 30-year bond down 23 ticks, trading out at 150.21. Both notes and bonds, folks, reject lower price, had lighter volume once again. Notes and bonds want higher price, lower yield. That in spite of Janet Yellen. She started a testimony today in Congress. Will go tomorrow also. Bottom line, she's saying that the Fed is on range, on target to basically still raise interest rates. King dollar. King dollar up 270 ticks, trading at 101.220. The euro is at 105, and the yen is at 114.23. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, what do you have? You got another day, you got another dollar, you got another high. We're up 94 cents. You're 233 million shares, and we did $233, and we did 64 million shares. What we are going to have right now, too, folks, is this. All the 13 F filings are coming out right after the close. They're coming out as we're speaking, actually. 13 F filings are the funds and what they have bought and what they have sold. It's a 45-day late scenario, but it is nice to see where everyone's going. Dow Industrials. Dow closed up $92. You're at 20,504. NDX 100. What do you have with the NDX 100? That also is higher. You did you're up 43 cents. You've done 16 million shares. Anemic volume. Bottom line, you're at higher price. King dollar. No, first, gold. Bottom line is that they can't whack gold down. You know, each and every, not just each and every day. This has been going on for quite a while. Gold just keeps crawling higher. You know, we had out here today was pretty amazing. Even with Janet Yellen speaking, gold contract went from 12.36 down to 12.22, but your swing low is 12.20. Couldn't make it. Bottom line, you are pushing a swing high with volume. We did 220,000 contracts out here today. The last swing, which had really good volume, was 12.46, and it had 222,000 there. We did 224 actually. So bottom line, this thing wants higher price, and I suspect you're in a confirmed ABC structure on the way up. It looks to me though that that's going to extend that and get up to $1,315. Which is, what's that, $95 from where we are. Silver is the same type of setup. Silver is strong. Silver refuses to back down, and it has the volume behind the move. We did 76,000 contracts out here today. We did 90,000 contracts Friday. You are coming into a vicious downdraft. There's no doubt about that. The downdraft from the November 11th was huge. The bottom of that downdraft, however, folks, is 1726. We're already at 1795. The top of it is 1895. When you eat into a downdraft, that dramatically, you're eating into the supply line. With volume, bottom line, your probability is much higher. You're going to go to the top of that, which is the 1895 to 1910 mark. The note market, same setup, meaning notes rejected lower price, had lighter volume, all of the above. Bonds did the same thing. King dollar. What do you have with King dollar? King dollar's trading at a price point of 101,210. You did 37,000 contracts. King dollar is going to need a lot more contract volume in order to sustain higher price. King dollar is going into 61,000 contracts. The bottom of that level is 100.235. The top is 101.615. And I suspect that, yes, King dollar can test the 101,710 area. That would be ice. That would be another setup in ice. That's where King dollar came down pretty hard on the 5th of January. We went from a price point of 102,500 to 101,295. That's 1,200, 1,300 ticks on the way down. That's what she's crawling up in order to get into it. ESRX. Let's take a look at Express Scripts. That come out with numbers that closed at $69.63. That is trading at $68.43. Numbers go like this in Express Scripts. The estimate was $1.87. They made $1.88. Bottom line estimate. Top line estimate, $26.3 billion. They did $24.9 billion. And that's when markets don't believe you that you've done the bottom line, folks. The reason being is that you can see that. This company took in $600 million less. Is it 20? Oh, less, more than that. 1 billion. 1.4 billion less on the top line, and they're claiming they made more in their bottom line. You know, bottom line, markets don't believe that. So you can see it's trading down $1 right now. It's 69.63. We bring this back. Oh, this has come down hard off the top anyway. You come down from $94. Now it's going to try to hammer into this the swing lows that are laying out here at the $68 mark. That's the way that seems to be shaking out right now. It's Tom O'Brien. It's just TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming back with some numbers for you. Yes, and there's no doubt one of the Tigers is saying that Berkshire Hathaway came in and bought lots of Apple, and they did buy lots of Apple. We'll bring it right back and we'll talk about that.